Hello guys, you're welcome. In our previous lesson, we looked at the basic PHP syntax. So in this lesson, we're going to look at how to insert comments within our PHP code. A comment is a line of text or multiple lines of text that are going to be visible to the programmer, but they are not going to be rendered or executed by the PHP and compiler. So what it means in essence is that you can use those comments to give more information about the code you're writing without actually running those code and making it part of your project. So let's see the three ways we can write a comment. So you can use a double slash and say this is a comment. Then if let me get rid of everything here. So this is a comment. If I reload, you find out there is nothing displayed onto the screen because it is a comment. Now let me say echo this is a text. Now and then reload, you see the text is displayed. Now let me comment out this text by using two double slash in front of it, and then it will no longer execute onto the screen because it is now treated as a comment by the PHP compiler. Now the comment is used to give more information about the code you're writing, or it can also be used to comment out or deactivate certain lines of code as you write. Now this is what we call the inline comment. Now you can also put your comment echo this is another text, then put a comment at the end. This is the first line. This is inline comments. Okay, so if you save, find out that the text will be displayed but the comments will not be displayed. So you can inline comment, you can write it within a particular line of code. Now this is what we call inline comments. We can also have multiple lines of comments, like when you put slash forward slash, then you put asterisk forward slash forward slash, then you put your asterisk, and then you put another asterisk, and then you put your forward slash. So this is how to insert a multiple line of comments. So this is the first line. So with multiple lines, I can press enter and enter another line. This is another line of comments. When you click save, of course nothing displays on the screen because it is a comment. So with multiple lines of comments, you can add a block of text as a comment. Assuming you want to make use of several, this is another line. Assuming you want to use several lines of comments as you write your code. So this is what we call the block style of comment, whereby any text you write here will be considered as a block. Now with PHP, you can also use hash and say this is an inline comment. Now let me get rid of this one. Now notice that this hash style of writing your comments does the same thing as forward slash double slash. This is a line of comments. Okay, so these two, nothing shows. These two are inline comments. The only difference is that this one uses a hash at the beginning, while this one uses double slash at the beginning. They both do the same thing. They are both inline comments. Now, when you're writing multiple lines of comments, be careful. This is a comment. When you're writing multiple lines of comment, be careful not to embed another comment within a comment. Don't be careful not to wrap or nest the block of comments. So what I mean is that you have a block of comment here, and again you have another block of comment here. It's actually going to show you this will produce unexpected results. Okay, so if you reload, you notice that you have an error because you're trying to nest a comment inside another comment. So when I get rid of this, the error disappears. So guys, this is how to make use of comments. So comments are a way to help you to remember what piece of code in your project does, because as humans you can forget. So the comments will guide you on what each part of your code does, and also you can use the comments to deactivate certain parts of your code. If you don't want to remove it entirely, you can comment it out and deactivate it so that the compiler will not execute it in your project. Thank you.